big changes in underwriting loans for condominiums. And if you're considering buying a condominium, you should watch this video and forward it to your realtor so you and they are aware of these changes that could affect your ability to purchase or cause delays or problems during the loan transaction. So when you get a mortgage loan, you need to be approved. Are you making enough money? Do you have the money for the down payment? Do you have decent credit? Things like that. But in a condominium, the project also has to be approved. Does it have enough reserves? Is the insurance enough for the project? Things like that. And up until now, up until August 3rd, we were able to do what's called a streamline project review with 20% or more down. And that has been eliminated. So now, as a lender, we have to review the health of the condominium association, just like we do the qualifications for the borrower. So it's, in essence, 2 approvals. So that's number 1. Number 2 is the insurance. So one of the things in California, especially, homeowners association dues have been going up because of the fire insurance. And some associations haven't really passed that on to the owners in the form of higher dues. They've just lowered the insurance coverage, given a larger deductible to the owner, or not carried enough insurance. And so Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac are saying, look, no more than $50,000 deductible for the homeowner. That's it. And so some of these projects may not be approvable in that circumstance. And so that's 2 big things that could delay or cause your loan not to go through. The reason it could delay it is because we do have to get paperwork from the homeowners association and have that reviewed as well. And in the past, that usually wasn't done until we'd gotten you an appraisal and the loan approval. But what I'm going to suggest is that whoever you're working with, whether it's me or any other lender, you get that project reviewed up front. You tell your realtor to make sure that the lender can get the approval on the project at the same time they're getting the approval for you, so it doesn't cause additional delays or bomb your escrow. And so that's going to be really important. And then, and that's something I do. I've got 42 years experience doing loans, and that's something I do anyway. I have a condo review department, and we get the stuff early, we get it over, we get it checked out, make sure it's going to be okay for you. So those are the 2 biggest things. Some other changes as well. You're going to, the first of the year, the reserve requirements are going to be greater. So we're going to go from 10% of the budget in reserve for unexpected costs or deferred maintenance up to 15% required. And so some homeowners associations are going to have issues with solvency there, and that could cause some problems as well. Now, what's the good news? The good news is if we plan ahead, get this stuff looked at early, and there are no delays in your escrow because of that, and we know that we can close on that project and get you into your home, you're actually going to be in a better position. Your homeowners association is going to be stronger because they have sufficient insurance coverage, they have sufficient reserves, and that protects you, the homeowner. So these things are going to make it hard for the application process for some, but it's going to, in the long run, be a better thing for the homeowner. So I really encourage you to give me a call if you have any questions, if you're thinking about buying a condominium, and that way I can go in depth with you on what those changes really are and how they could affect your ability to buy. And then, of course, like I said, forward this to your realtor, and I can talk to your realtor as well and let them know how any good and experienced mortgage broker is going to take care of this part early so it doesn't cause delays and blown up escrows at the end. And for those who don't make that effort up front, yeah, there's going to be escrows that don't close because the condominium association, is not solvent or, just doesn't pass the standards. We don't want that happening. So give me a shout out. I'm James Hecker, your trusted mortgage broker, 661-714-2145. Have a wonderful weekend. Be sure to call me if you have any questions.